Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about pagination and how do we switch between pages, how do we make active class with CSS and HTML. So let's dive into the code. Okay, let's get started. So first we will have one h1. This is page 1 and we will have one paragraph. So now I will create one div element at the bottom and I will place my pages number here. So we initialize it by one anchor tag to link between the pages. So I will name it page number 1 and I just copy and paste it like 5 times. So now we have these 6 pages here, so you can add as many as you want. Coming to our style, so first let's give it one class name. So I will name it pagination. And here I select my class name. I have my all pages link here inside a div, inside a container. If I want to make them at the center, I call this property called text align. So you can give it the values of end, start. Start means at the beginning, or you can say at the left side if you are writing from left to right like English, or you can give the value of end, it means the right side at the end, and for now I give it center, so it comes at the middle of my div. Inside my pagination I target the anchor tag and I give it the color of maybe gray, and I give it the padding. The first value is horizontal value that it takes, so I give it like 8 pixel. The second value it takes is the vertical, so I give it a little bit more, like 12 pixel. So let's see how it looks. I think it is great. Now you see we have these lines before at the bottom of them. You can remove that by saying text decoration to be none. Text decoration is a property that you can give decoration to your text. So I give it none, no decoration. We can do one thing else as well. So by default, for example, when this page is, because it is page 1, so I give one class name to the tag, to the anchor tag, and that class name is gonna be active. So active means this page is now active. For giving them style, I just select it and give my active class a background color of maybe green, but I can change it manually. Like, let's see how it looks. I think it is good. And then I can change my color text to white. My text inside my active class is not affecting, so I can do it another way as well. So I target my pagination, and inside my anchor tag, this time I select the active class. So I give this value there. Let's see if it works. So yeah, now it is working, because previously by targeting only the active class, the text color was not working, because we previously initialized that the paging and pagination class, the anchor tag, the color should be gray. Then it takes the first value. After that, if you redefine it, so it will not gonna affect. You can give it maybe border radius as well. I think that looks good. Border radius maybe 3 pixel. I can, inside my href attribute, I can give the link of my first file, so which is code start.html, but for the page 2 I will name it page2.html, that we need to make it. So now each of them is linked to one page, but we need to create those files as well here. So I will write page2.html and I just copy and paste this data, all of them actually, inside this page 2. But I will just change this title and remove this active class from here to the second one. Why? Because now my page 1 is not active, my page 2 is active. So if I click here, you see the pages is changed, and also the active class for my pagination link is also changed. I repeat this process for all my files. Okay guys, I have just copied and pasted all this information by changing just the title and the active class. So now refresh the page and let's see the result. If I go to page 4, it becomes active, and also the title changes. So you can have your content here and you can have your pagination at the bottom. You can give it whatever style you want. But if you see in some websites, we have one more functionality as well. So that will be like this mark. So when I click here, it brings one page back. But because that is the job of JavaScript, for now we don't know JavaScript, so I will not work on it because it just brings confusion since we are not familiar with JavaScript yet. But it is also possible that we active this button. So when I click here, it changes from page 1 to page 2. So if I was on page 4, it changes to page 5, or back coming back here, it does the vice versa. Okay everyone, thank you for the watching. It was all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just an introduction for the paginations, and we will dive into more details in the coming videos when we are working on the practical project. See you in the next video.